I blanked you out with the camera thing. Okay, Pop.
Hard to see. Framing someone.
Not much yet.
So this one here is the Fanuc, and this one is a lot. I don't know. It took a while to get, like a whole day to get to do this thing. And then this one here is the modernized version of it. And this one, the computerized system, has more memory, so it's a lot easier to run. Once you ran this one, you could run this.
You have to see it from up front with the
Right.
computer.
I'll show you. And actually, it was towards the end of school. Right there. And that guy in the office right there, that's my teacher, Mr. Dunn.
Which one?
Yeah, drill thing. You do a lot of drilling, you do it on the mills. These are all the mills. There's more mills over there. And in the middle, those are grinders.
That is gonna like that. Try first to buy in there,
And that's when we start off first. Those grinders in the middle room, we had to make our tool bits. The first project we had to do was make our tool bits.
Where the people put their tools? Over there.
That sign we have up at the cabin at Big Bear, that's where it was made on. It was made on this thing. That's 4x6.
Can you see it good enough, or you have to?
And that works off over here. Oh,
Good.
that works off over here.
Oh, this is his.
You work it out on a computer, and then it comes out with a little tape. And you open this up right here, stick your little tape in there, and you program it in, and then the machine picks it up after you program the machine, and it runs whatever you have on the tape. And the tape comes off of what you put into the computer upstairs. So it takes a while to go through all that stuff.
This is your stuff here.
And this is George's. No, George made the most. He's our honor student. He made the most. He did stuff for the teacher towards the end.
Is he here today?
Yeah, where's George?
Over there.
Ah, yeah, he's over there with his
Just
dad.
hide him so that way Phil can see George.
Okay. And
Where's all your stuff?
right over there.
Where?
Right over there.
Oh,
Done?
with the drumstick.
This is my mother.
Hey, pleased to meet you, ma'am.
And this is my father. Ancient ones, but they do a good job. Drill press. These are all the drill presses here. And then over this way. These are surface grinders. And these, you work out a sweat when you're working on them. Because you look at this, go back and forth, you get a new finish on metal. And this one, go back and forth this way. And this one here, drop it down more. And when you shut it off, this thing keeps spinning. And me and another guy in the class learned that it's pretty painful. And this took off a layer of skin real fast. I didn't even feel it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like a stone rock. It's spinning real fast. And I went to get a piece and I had turned it off. And I thought, you know, it's slowing down and stuff. It just got me real quick and it's like a sanded off the skin real quick. And this is basically the busiest part of the shop here. During the day, most of these lathes are going, most of the mills, surface grinders. This is where most of the stuff is done. Then we go over here. Over here, these these are fun over here. These are CNCs. It's a miniature lathe, computer operated. They make the little keychains and stuff like that.
That's what you made the little hammer.
Right.
Everything.
Right. Yeah. Pretty much, if you put in the program right and do it right, it does everything for you. You just have to. Jeremy, not so close. You just have to run it in like that. And then here, that's our oldest lathe. One I used to make the keychain for Mom. And this one, program it like everything else. You run it on the computer and you get your program. You put your little pieces of metal right down there. And you program it, turn it on, and it writes with a little drill bit. And it writes, spins real fast and it writes. Yeah. A computer for if you're doing something on the CNC or the Bridgeport, you program it up here in the computer or down here in the computer. We also have some in the classroom upstairs. I'm going to ask if I could go up there so you guys get the whole idea. Let me see if I can find this and that. This is the whole box runs the whole place basically. That's my seat right there. I sat there all the time.
Where?
First one?
Yep.
There.
I sat there, Bill sat there, the little skinny Nate sat there, Luke Nate sat there, Santana sat there, another guy down there with a beard, he sat right there.
What's a Luke Neg?
What are you talking about?
What's that white guy you make fun of?
Oh,
A Luke Neg.
no, that skinny black guy. And there's our computer.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you can have your hat on down there, but not inside. You add your hat down there because you get the metal in your hair. And see up here, you start on your computer and you run your print. You can punch it down to the computer downstairs, but computer training, after that we rip the thing and go and start all over, punching it in downstairs. And the size of drill and tap sizes and how to read different rules.
Downstairs. A lot of people. So we were a second ago.
And so we found I guess the perfect thing. Come here, Jeremy.
Okay, Uncle Ben. Oh, cap.
Okay. Now, what I wanted to show Jeremy, no personal project. Drumstick. That's why we only have one. But that's basically the rules.
Oh, I got one for Uncle Ben. Smoke only on 3.
Oh yeah, that was no problem. That was no problem. You got used to it. So this is about it. This is my last trip through this past year. American Science. This school's been in business for 20 years.
He forgot to give it to me last month.
And this guy here, over here, this guy's got the. We won't show it on TV, so you won't be on Most Wanted. But
Now, don't tell me on.
turn over here. This guy was my worst nightmare in the tool crib.
You just got mad 'cause I made you mad. It's all good. What is this, the old one?
Yeah.
All by myself. And so next time, man, you know what to do when you get out here, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yep. What do you?
Behind George.
No food or drink.
It's right here.
Well, that's not fair. There's a table full of food and drinks, and then right next to the door. Then.
Hey.
You want to see the front of it?
Oh, focus, come on.
Focus.
Turn it over. Inside. Find your name. Where's your name at? Where's your name?
Getting my face.
Mr. Benoit Rouleau.
Okay, fine. 16 weeks later. I got it. All right. Good job. Mr. Michael Sanders. It is. I know you do better than that.
My road of excellence is me.
Is who?
Me.
Is who?
Me.
Is who?
Me.
All right. Get this information, read it quietly at home. 3 rows. 4 rows. What's the table with? Oh, man, we love y'all, man. There you go. No Bud Light boy.
Squeeze in, Jake. Did you get him on the end?
That's what I'm looking at. Move it, there you go. Get in there, you go, perfect. Yep, there you go, good. All right, now let's see how that looks. Hey, great shot, okay. Everybody smile. I have to take 2, so don't move. Smile. It's a great day, guys. Okay. Just think you won't have to listen to me. Thank you. Yeah. All right, get ready. All right, fantastic. Thank you.